Who are we going to see, Baba?
Jake.
Show me how you're going to cuddle Jake. Show me.
How are you gonna cuddle Jake?
Like that.
Like that? Oh my god, after 1 minute. Done.
Hold on.
Hold on. 2 hands.
And
Day, happy birthday, Day. Finally, finally, niabot siya. Finally, nakita na jud na niabot siya sa imo.
Unexpected kayo. Thank you kayo. Diba? Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Good morning. Ay, good afternoon na day. Good afternoon, guys. So, hi, tita.
hi, Tita.
Hi, tito.
Candy.
Eating candy, Paris.
Eating kana.
Eating kana. So, it is Saturday, guys. And ito na yung araw na pinakahihintay natin. Oh my God. We are going to see our friend Jezz and Jake and Peter. So, the last time na pinano namin to, guys, was a long time ago. So, di ba nga sana pupunta kami doon last Saturday. Pero, I was not very well. Kaya hindi natuloy. And then, today is the day na guys, pupunta na tayo doon and I'm very excited. Paris is very excited kasi gustong-gusto niya rin makita si Jake. Hindi niya talaga nakalimutan si Jake guys from the first time na nakita sila. Nak, where are we going?
Daddy.
We're gonna go see
Who are we going to see, Baba?
Jake.
Jake.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
You going to give Jake a cuddle? Show me how you're going to cuddle Jake. Show me.
How are you gonna cuddle Jake?
Like that.
Like that? Ayan na guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung outfit ni Baby Paris guys ha. Sobrang cute niya guys oh. Diba? Parang nakaano lang, parang princess lang. Hello beautiful girl.
Hello, Mama.
Hello mama. Hello daddy girl. Ay daddy girl. Tingnan niyo ang ano ni Daddy Mike guys, ang kanyang hairdo. Oh, diba? Bongga. Ayan ang mag-ama. So, before tayo umalis, guys, pakita ko muna sa inyo ang ating outfit of the day. Oh, diba, Char? Ayan. So, yung sa ilalim, guys, naka-white shirt ako. Ayan. And then, ito yung biker shorts pala na binili ko from Chadson Shopping Center the other day. Ayan, suot-suot ko na. And then, nilagyan ko lang ng blazer sa taas. Itong mint green na blazer na, oh my God, super love the color. Ayan. And then, itong ating cutie na bag. And then, yung shoes ko pala, guys, is this one white para bumagay dito sa ating top. So, ito yung ating outfit, guys. Oh, diba? Bonggang-bongga. Parang saan lang pupunta. Oh, and then, yung sa ating hair, ito yung binili ko from AliExpress na parang Versace-inspired na hair clip. Yan. Tapos, yung aking hair ay kinulot ko lang, guys, kasi one thing pala guys, itong aking hair, I washed it a few times now at parang hindi ko nagustuhan yung kanyang kulay guys. Maganda siya kapag i-curl kasi hindi masyadong halata. Pero kapag naka-straight siya guys, nakalugay siya ng straight, hindi siya masyadong magantingnan guys. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have to think about it. But yeah, that's it guys. That's our outfit of the day and we gotta go now because it's getting late. Kalabas na kami, guys. Oh, maganda yung araw. Akala ko maginaw today. Hello, princess. Nak, mura jud kag diwata diha, nak ba? Come na, anak. Hala, guys, sobrang ganda ng araw, guys. Oh, sana hindi mag-change ba? Nakalabas si Haring Araw. Ang ating mag-ama ay nandun na sa sasakyan, oh. By the way, ito pala, ito yung regalo natin for Jezz. Kasi nga, diba, birthday niya nung September ata. Yeah, September. Tapos nag-lockdown. Kaya nga hindi na kami nagkita ulit. Kaya yun, parang natanggong tong kanyang birthday gift sa bahay. And yeah, very happy na sa wakas ay mabibigay na natin sa kanya. And also, ito guys, tingnan nyo.
binitbit ko ng ganito, ayan, nilagyan ko ng mga extra na damit ni Paris just in case na maglaro sila ni Jake at mahugaw ba or mabasa or something. Kaya it's good na ready tayo. And we gotta go. Ayan. So yung usapan pala namin guys is yun nga, kahit na makarating kami doon ng mga 2 o'clock na, it's okay. We might go to the shops and then doon kami magdi-dinner sa kanila. It's open man, Bob. Hinintay nila ako guys. Open man kanina pa. Ha? Huh? It's not? Ay, nag-uutulak pala to siya guys kapag matagal mong inopen.
Oh.
Ay, shush!
I got the stick.
You got the stick?
Alright, baby, ka na ka?
Tingnan niyo ang kanyang outfit guys. Oh my god, I so love it guys. Sobrang dalagang-dalaga ang ating baby girl. Oh! Nak, is that you, Nak? Have a look at you. So beautiful. Can you smile? Smile sa me?
Yan na ka, mama.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Don't hurt mama, Nak. Don't hurt mama, Nak.
You got the boo-boo.
You got the boo-boo. Now 1:40 ng hapon and nandito kami sa harapan ng Filipino sari-sari store kung saan kami pumunta ni Paris last time. Bibili ako ng mga pagkain Pinoy guys para madala natin kina Jezz. Meron tayong makain-kain doon. Unfortunately, tingnan nyo guys, only 1 person per household allowed inside. They're still doing that guys. So, merong isa doon sa loob. So, hindi muna ako makakapasok. Hintay-hintay muna ako na lumabas si ate. Tapos, yeah. Punta tayo doon. Bili ako ng turon, guys. Para makapagluto kami ni Jezz ng turon. And then, some chicherya. After dito, guys, pupunta pa kami ng Frankston muna. Kasi may pipick upin kami. What are we picking up, Daddy?
The feeding chair for Paris that I bought yesterday.
Yeah. So, Daddy Mike bought like a feeding chair. Meron si Paris sa bahay, guys. Nakita niyo naman yun. Pero, we want something new para maiba sa paningin ni Paris, guys. Kasi Paris, you know, Paris, she's very fussy when it comes to food. And, yeah, we're doing everything para para siguro kapag bago yung paningin niya sa chair, parang mabaguhan siya, uupo siya doon, tapos kakain siya. I don't know, guys. We're just doing all these resorts.
Well, she eats the best when she's in the high chair.
Yeah. So guys, oh my god, time check. It's now 3 o'clock ng hapon and yes, ngayon lang kami nakarating dito. Actually, nag-change yung plan namin guys kasi nga 'di ba, kailangan namin pick upin yung high chair ni Paris. And medyo malayo-layo pala siya guys. Hindi ko in-expect yun. Kaya yun, tinawagan ko si Jezz, sabi ko na instead of diretso kami sa bahay nila, plano naman talaga namin na pumunta kami ng shops. So sa shops na lang kami magkikita at nandito na kami ngayon sa Fountain Gate Shopping Center. And doon kami mag-meet up sa Krispy Kreme, nandiyan lang sa harapan guys. Si Daddy, nilabas na si Paris kasi si Paris ay nakatulog guys sa haba ng biyahe. Anyway, see you soon. Tingnan niyo, ang kanyang buhok ay all over the place.
What?
Yeah, Nak, are you gonna see Jake? Yes? Ayan, palagi lang siya nagsasabi na mo na si Jake. Nak, no? Maybe we'll fix the hair quickly. Someone's excited to see Jake! Go, this way. This way. Jake, this way. Yay! Come on. Go, follow Daddy. Excited na, Dedaya. Go, Dede. Check this. Come. Check. Oh my god, after 1 million years. Please, it's very dark.
No, he says stand up. No, he says stand up.
Again, cut off.
She's grown, I reckon.
Yeah. Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Good to see you again.
Grown a lot, I reckon.
Yeah, she has.
Taller.
Yeah, she has.
Are you happy?
Very
Yeah.
the last few weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah, Paris, this is for you, Paris.
Wow. How are you, honey?
Hi, what's your
Over the whole period or just recently in the last sort of couple
No, right through, but especially last couple of weeks.
What's your name?
I'm Tita Jovey. You're the big boy. How are you, Dai? How are you, Dai? Oh, God. Hello, guys. Can you remember Jezz?
Good. Yeah. Finally. Kita
Finally,
na.
nakita agad me. Sexy ba dahil? Asa naman butang ako bilbilan dati? Oh my God, andyan ang mga boys, guys, oh. Oh, finally. Sorry kayo, Dai. Sige, at pick up po na mo lagi ang kuan ang picture ni Paris. Nakita na dyan sila. Wow! What is that? Day, nakatulog na gud siya, Day. Sasakyan ng inguna. Sige na siya inguna. Awa na si Jake, mami. Nakatulog na lang gud siya. Wow!
Boy.
Ano sa pangalan sa ilang tandem, Day? Jake Chris. Jake, honey. Sige na, kuan, yaw-yaw og Jake. Nana si Jake karon, oh, pagdula mo. We have the whole one afternoon and whole evening.
Hey, that's mine.
That's yours. Get Paris. Get Paris to borrow. Thank you.
It's Larry.
Ang cute ning mga bata, oy. Asa ka mo nagliwat? Gay, wa mo liwat yung mga mama. Magani, wala mo naliwat sa inyong mama. Yung dalawa ay chika po more, oh. Dai, what's the plan? Come on. So, pupunta daw
Savers
kami.
tayo, guys.
Okay
Mag-ukay-ukay.
daw kami, guys. Ayan. So,
Mag-ukay-ukay kami ate.
ay, mangita mo nito. When was the last? Nag-savers na live before? Oh, yes, we did.
Saguan.
Warrigal Road. At ako na, bakti. Ayan, so mag-ukay-ukay daw mi, guys. Punta muna kami doon. Kaya ng aming mga baby girl, oh. At least, nandito ang mga tatay, guys. Kaya sila yung magbabantay sa aming mga bakti.
Sila magbantay kami taga-shopping.
Jump! Yay! Careful, Jakey. Wow! Come on, asa maganan, Day? Come on, let's go. Careful, Paris.
Come on, Paris, come. Princess Zoe. Much fun.
Jump.
Cute si Paris din. Gamay kaayo.
Liwat biya na siya sa iyang giliwatan.
Jack Charles here.
Yay! Nailang BMW. BMW.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Two hands.
And
What's that? Porsche or Lamborghini?
Love your haircut, Jakey.
Nana wouldn't stop whinging until we get...
Sinan nyo ang aming mga darling, guys, oh. Push ng aming mga baktin na sa kuan. Trolley. No, nalingaw po ba sila, Day? Now we are walking towards ukay-ukay. Ukay-ukay for more. Ayan. Kasi mas marami kasi kaming nabibili kapag sa ukay-ukay, guys, kasi ako mas marami akong nabibili. Mas marami akong nabibili sa ukay-ukay, guys, kumpara doon sa mga brand new shops.
naman, mura lang sila.
Yeah. At may mga magaganda pa, Day, no? Look at the ground. Look at the ground. At the shopping center, guys.
more Paris there. There's more Paris over there.
Yeah.
No, I'm big Paris.
You're big, Paris.
Yeah, you are big.
You're big and strong. Tingnan niyo ang dalawa, oh.
Really,
Come sit down.
Yes. That's it. Finish na. Buy $3. Guys, dito lang kami sa harapan ng ano guys, oh, Asian market. Nagbili si Jezz ng ano, lulutuin namin tonight for dinner. Tagalog ka dahil?
Hi guys! Merry Christmas! Alaga ng Christmas tree namin.
Nandito na kami sa kanilang palasyo. Ayan, tingnan niyo, oh, nakaano na kasi mag-roast kami. Roast pork, ang dalawang batang ito ay naglalaro. What's that? Is this a gun?
Yes, it is a gun.
I'm gonna show you the, ano guys, Filipino stuff na binili ko kanina.
Ayan guys, may dalawang ano, coconut drink. Kakabili lang din ako.
Bumili kami na ano guys. Gatos, pag snacks namin, mamaya midnight snack. Midnight hanggang dito, hanggang midnight dito.
Kayo tulog eh.
Ayan, corned
Dalawa
beef,
kaming spare room guys. May dalawang tatlong spare room.
Spanish bread, and ding dong. Ito sabi ko dai, palabok.
Ano palabok? Wala ko ilaan ito eh.
Kanang kurang kon ba noodle siya dai, mga egg dayon ana. Oh, the knife prawn. Lami ba na siya dai?
Wala ko try yan. Iwan ko in the fridge.
Yeah.
Kita sa...
Kita sabi.
Jovey, I bought you some
Blood
really nice sweet wine, but didn't realise that you're still breastfeeding, so you can't have it.
I never drink too, Pete.
Not even a little bit of sweet, nice sweet.
I don't drink, so there you go. I'm a good girl.
This stuff I bought is really nice. Moscato is just a sweet.
Never had a drink.
Brown Brothers sweet wine. No, never had a drink.
Now I'm afraid that.
Nothing wrong with that. That's fine.
I'm afraid if I'm, you know, if I get drunk, Mike will take advantage.
You take advantage?
Yeah. So. Ayan guys, nilabas ko lang yung regalo ko kay Jezz para sa kanyang birthday. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ang ganda ng mga plants ni Pinay dito. Yan. Pasok. Dai, happy birthday, Dai. Finally, finally, niabot siya. Finally, nakita na Jude na niabot siya sa imo.
Unexpected kayo. Thank you kayo. Di ba ang bait niya guys?
No, wala na nagi. Ay. Na, kasdugan na ako gipalit.
Wow! Yayamani.
Pam,
Saan ka gamit?
papuwas, sumod. Papuwas,
Nice,
sumod.
Han. Look at this.
What is it?
Thanks, Mike.
No worries at all.
What is it? Christmas?
Birthday.
Your birthday.
Whose birthday?
When is your birthday?
Your birthday is September, remember? Was it September?
July.
July, oh, see? Before the lockdown. So we weren't able to see each other.
Yeah.
And I bought it a long time ago. And I said, like,
Thank you, Thane. It's very nice.
Thank you.
Thanks for that.
Thank you.
What
Thanks,
day, what
Mike.
day is July?
Pardon?
What day is July?
14.
13.
I 13.
13.
2 weeks before me.
Oh,
Yeah.
1997.
Yeah.
Birthday.
What are you
Gimold na siya dito sa balay.
July 82.
Thank you, birthday.
He's made off 157.
Ano na yun? Ay, pagdahong nga napay, sunod na tayo ha.
Kay sila box, no? Ay, dako kay sila box. Yung order is
Gani, gabi. Char-char lang na ila. Mayroon dahil pa, kuan pa, papula sa simod.
Thank you, kay Te.
Like it?
Yeah! Ako pa
Wala ng kulay, Te. Guys, tingnan nyo yung kulay, oh.
I'm very keen.
Pang ano talaga, pang dalaga. Feeling dalaga.
Dalaga biya.
Oh,
Wala ang bata.
tingnan nyo guys, di ba? Ang ganda. Thank you kay Te. Yayamanin kayo. Kano sa birthday, Te?
This Tuesday.
Advance happy birthday. Wala ka nagpahibal.
Relax lang kami dito guys sa couch. Ating baby girl ay nandun.
You want it?
No,
Thank you, baby, ha?
lisod mo sa ganda, grabe na, gisulod sa box. Ay, sa bag, poon, pag bag. Ito ang ating mga kids. Ayan. Gento.
Sis, what's this? This is for you.
Wow! Jake, ang imo, Jake, tara sa balay.
Di, pa'y kura kay tigidid mo na niya ni Tanaw.
Paris, have a look. Have a look what this got for you.
I'll tell you what's been helping me.
Dili mo dyan toys.
Take it out. Take it out now. Take it out.
Lemon juice.
Show mommy, baby. Wow, so beautiful.
And all the
Balik. Did mali ka na. Ungrateful.
Paris, princess, come here.
Oh, ano dahil? Because wala na siya sa mood, guys. Kasi ano na naman, gusto naman umudo.
Si mami na magsuot ko.
Hello, very cute, Dai. Thank you, Dai. You're so cute, guys. Oh, sana oil. Shout out kayo. Thank you, Dai. Thank you. Itong na lang na di. Ay, kaya nga itong baby girl, wala sa iyang mood. Is that Jake's toys? Wow. Say, ask Jake, can we put the toys in the other bucket?
Mine?
Yes.
No, in the big one.
Baba girl, huy, dili ra anak. Ayun, paghalungkat di anak sa bantang tita. Paris, ikaw? Fern! Oh, she loves the fern. Who are you calling Paris?
And I want him.
Hello?
I want him to stay with my telephone.
The telephone? Do you have another phone?
No, I don't have some. I'm only got one.
You only have one, okay.
And I don't have anyone to play with telephones. So I'm always got one.
Okay, Paris is gonna call the ambulance.
Okay?
Hello? Hello?
Mommy sick?
Is mommy sick?
No, the Jake is sick.
Jake is sick. Are you sick, Jake?
No, I'm just kidding. What? But I'm so
What?
tired. Goodbye. I'm very
Goodbye. Nak, wala pag hindi mo na contact na?
Don't worry.
Paris, ikaw, you haven't contacted the ambulance? Hello?
Wait, darling, come.
Bye.
Okay, now it's my turn. Okay, this is your turn.
Jake's turn.
Hi. Because what are you doing today? Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Next time, when everyone's a dude, boy. It's my turn.
Paris' turn. Okay. Who is Paris calling? Gentle. Hello?
This is my hair.
Did you have them this morning?
Hello?
I got the vitamin C one for me.
Okay, bye.
For Jezz and I, yeah.
Okay, bye. There's my turn now.
Na-inlove kasi sila sa ilang telephone. Ito na ang aming dinner. Guys, it's cooking. Roast pork. Sobrang init eh.
Te, siguro tiniil man ka, te. Gamay na itong chinilas na ako.
Hindi ko sit down! Sit down. Mas umian
Itong
siya
gihatag
mga
ni,
guys.
kanang gihatag ni Kuan, ni Ate Gina, itong bagong namit.
Ah, oo.
Then kani, mo itong Kuan, sa silingan.
No.
Daghan na kayo sa tabangan ninyo.
Yeah.
Ah, look at my veggies, te. Tanawa. Say rubbish.
Mag-tour ta dahil, tour. Anak, wala kang shoes, anak. Para sa simong tita, dako bito naglawas.
Dagko na buklot.
What's in here? Ay, nagtanong mo, day?
Napay mga veggies.
I-tour na to ilang garden. Ano sa day? Ah, sibuyas, oh.
Tambok yung sibuyas, te.
Kani, sa maniya? Lami siguro ang kwadri ang inyuta.
Oh, tambok. Then, nami kong napadari. Oh, pa na ako na tanong. Mugma siguro na eh.
It's good na kay dakong kalingawan day.
Nandito na kalabasa ug kuan. Kay makatay ng kalabasa ug kuan.
Lemon. Sorry day. Olives.
I'm going inside, Mama.
Oh, go inside, mommy.
Okay, let's go.
Cute being of the Paris.
Pakit mo na siya day pa. Kuan.
Jackie na ko kay timo.
Girly ka na siya day. It's playtime. Playtime na 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock at night.
Faster, Mommy.
Okay, nak faster anak ka. Basta mataga ka nak. Haya-haya din isa dito guys, oh. Haya-haya.
Jack, look,
Faster.
Nak, gabi. Day, gabi. Ito mga anak, bay. Ang higher dito, haya. Hindi pa pasta. Okay. Mga Australian, man sila, eh. Haya og pasta.
yung mga R.
Uy! Anak, don't move, anak. Mataga ka, baba. Faster! Mataga ka, nak.
Seesaw with Paris.
Kanina lang, oh. Kadari mo, oh.
In the seesaw with Paris.
Careful.
Wait for Paris. You have to be a gentleman.
Thank you, Jake.
Don't touch, don't push. Just let her.
Sit down over there, Paris.
Your turn.
Nag-slide lagi kang Jake.
Yung fine. Paris kay kuan.
Ano, la. It's too high, anak. Come on. Baby.
One fell off and bumped her head.
Mama, I got you. No, Mommy. Jump in the Paris.
Yeah, careful, hold on.
Swiss away, Paris.
No, you have the share.
Anak, wala
Swiss,
ginakasin yung haircut ako.
Okay, here you go.
Here you go. There you go.
Doing the seesaw. Alright, just a little bit, okay?
Hold on.
Hold on tight. Hold tight. A little bit, Jake Charles.
Okay, not too fast.
Not too high, Jake. Good boy.
Hold on, Paris.
Okay. Now we stop me. Now I want to stop over there now. It's my time.
It's your
Now
turn.
the rocket ship.
Like a rocket ship.
Haya.
Higher.
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 Ang gisod na lang
Higher.
yan.
Isn't it we fall off?
Paris, ikaw na be haya.
Higher. Higher at space? It's going to be high at space?
Yes, no.
The space.
R. Just say higher.
Higher.
Paris, ikaw na be higher. Paris, higher.
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 I need to bump his head.
No, don't.
Careful.
No.
I just want to kiss him.
Okay, good boy.
Good boy.
That's
Na guys, oh, madilim na ang gabi.
there's no bloody swaying.
You wanna go inside?
No.
It's getting cold na. Uy, come on.
Cold.
Ang aming pagkain ay ubos na.
Hi guys! So it's now 11 o'clock ng gabi. Can you believe it? Tingnan niyo ang mga kiddos. Oh, gising na gising pa. Nandito kami sa room ni Jakey. Kasi may TV.
Okay, fine.
Gonna fine. Uy, careful anak. We gotta go home soon now, anak. Ayaw umuwi ng anak ko guys. Kasi namimiss niya si Jake. Dai, thank you for the dinner, Dai, ha?
No worries, thank you.
Until next time.
Until
next time.
Next time,
Pero sa let me na sa ha? Kung sa plano sa pizza.
Winby lagi ta.
Ha?
No problem, winby ta.
Ano lagi? Paibala lang yun sa ikuan. Obligasyon.
Are you going to Miss Paris, Jakey?
Paris, are you going to miss Jake?
Yes.
Oh no. What are we gonna do? But we have to go home now.
No.
Jake.
He still want to stay?
Hey, Jake Charles. Would you let Paris go home?
No, he still want to stay with me.
Why? She needs to go home.
Because he still have to stay. What? Huh?
Paris, likod. Uy, murag tag-iya, oh. What's up,
Help
kanya?
me did this. This
Mama,
one did that. No, this. This one first. Ah!
Careful, dia, ha? Careful.
Jake, no.
Oh, it's a bucket.
It's a bucket, Paris.
You would pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Jack, pumpkin.
Jake.
Touching the water.
What is it, honey?
Can you help me did this?
So, gihipos na sa imong mama diha. Karot ka
The candy.
Candy. What are you selling na?
I thought you got the candy.
Nanay Paris yang. Masa imong baligya? Guess what? Anong oras na? It's nearly 1 in the morning. And, oh my God, si Paris ay, ayun, sa bed na. And, yeah, i-end lang natin yung vlog natin, guys. It's been a very a fun day today, especially kay mga baby namin. Kay Jake, tsaka kay Paris, they really enjoyed it. Nakita ko talaga yung happiness sa mga mukha nila, guys, na nakita sila ulit. And also, very happy to see Jezz and Peter once again. And, we are planning on like a weekend getaway together, kaming lahat, and I think that would be sometime next month, guys. Hindi pa nakaset talaga, but yeah, that is what we're going to do. But yeah, I'm very tired now, guys, as you can see. Tingnan nyo ang aking mata, very sleepy na. Hindi pa ako nakapaghilamosan o nagbihis lang ako ng shirt, and then I put Paris to bed. Kasi Daddy Mike nandyan o Anyways, guys, maraming salamat for watching today's video. I appreciate your time watching our videos, guys. Now, we're just going to do a quick shout out, and the first shout out goes to Ray's channel, Maricar Castañeda, Mami Rose Sabalie, Myla Alonzo, Teresita Abaluyan, Janzi Pinay, Australia. Shout out to Carlota Pedro, Shari Tamayo, Emelda Iscatron, Lovella Raduk, Chari Salazar, Geraldine Tagutungan, Jonah Reese, Chris and Rian's World, Arlene Hoover, Pretty Me Angel, Mercedita Oypala, Mary Grace Vida, Riz Tamayo, Kotol Tokol, Sisi Karen 1925, Norberta Nono, Lisel Cataylo, Cherry Ramos and Family, Cinda Carmelita Alora, Viuli S, Maricel Mabalot ang saya kahit kailan, and Viviel Alerio. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Good night, good morning, good more night. Bye.